This rice, inspired by Mexican rice and sometimes called Spanish rice, is so flavorful. It's got broth and onions and garlic and peppers and tomatoes, the perfect blend of spices. It smells incredible and tastes even better. You've got to try it. This rice tastes so wonderful thanks to all of the fresh flavor. Start by chopping one large onion. I'm using a white onion, but yellow onions work too. Next up, a lot of garlic. I'm mincing 6 garlic cloves. I love the Anaheim peppers in this recipe. I'm using 2 and removing the stem and seeds first. Then I chop them into small pieces. We don't need to be perfect, but keep them pretty small. Toss the onions, peppers, and garlic into a bowl. Now finally, we need 3 to 4 medium tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes really make this Mexican rice recipe so delicious. They also give the rice a hint of red color. I cut out the core and chop them small. Over at the stove, cook the onion, pepper, and garlic in oil until the onions are translucent and everything has softened a bit. This takes 5 minutes. Then we're going to add 2 cups of long grain white basmati rice. I've rinsed and drained the rice a few times to remove the starch. I love aromatic basmati, but other long grain white rice varieties will work. Toast the rice with the veggies for a few minutes, then stir in 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano, a ½ teaspoon of smoked paprika, ½ teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Then cook for 1 minute. Now add the tomatoes with all their juices and 2.5 cups of stock. Be sure to give the pot a few good stirs to knock all the rice down into the liquid. Bring this to a boil, then cover with a lid and cook on low for 14 minutes. Strange timing, I know, but 14 minutes works for us. Now keep the saucepan covered and let the rice sit for another 10 minutes before fluffing it with a fork. And here we are. Fluffy and flavorful Mexican rice, commonly called Spanish rice, that you will want to make again and again. It goes with just about anything. See you next time.